Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. I am going to do a silk press tutorial today. I was told that I looked nervous in my previous video, so I will be sipping on wine to help calm my nerves a bit. However, I usually like my hair big and fluffy, and today I will be trying a new product which I was told that works really well with naturals. And oh my goodness, by the way, I'm OohlaLa'Cheri, if I didn't mention that in the beginning, but this is Care Glossifier, I believe it's called. Yeah, High Sheen Glossifier. And this will be my first time using it. Not sure how well it works, but I guess we will see. So I'm not sure how much of this to actually use because, again, this is a new product for me. I hope it doesn't like weigh it down and make it look thin and stringy. But I guess we'll see. I will be starting with, I guess, 3 sections, and we will see how everything turns out. I'm hoping this will work well because I actually love Care products. I usually use their essential oils and probably just a little bit of Chi Silk Infusion. And I only do that on my wash day. I do not use that throughout the week or in between washes, I should say. So it's very lightweight and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. I'm hoping this will give me the same results, but I don't know yet. So if you see me looking around or looking behind the camera, it's just because I'm in the mirror. And all right, I'm ready to get started. I hope I don't OD on this shit and it has my hair looking like a meth whore or silky or super greasy or some shit. Okay, here it goes. So I always start on this side. It's easier for me. I don't know why. No rhyme or reason, but it is. And okay. I'm sure my husband is going to have a problem with this, but I'm taking my ring off because I don't like shit in it. And I don't know if you can even hear the noise in the background. It's my fan because it gets super hot when you're straightening your hair. And I do have an extra light behind me, so I just take small sections and part it out with my finger. Let's see what type of magic this gloss might have or not have. Oh, all right. By the way, I'm using Absolute Heat Elite Professional Iron, and I have it on 390. Okay, seems to be doing the thing, but won't really know until the end. I wish I knew the guidelines as far as what music can be used during a video, because I would love to have some music playing in the background. But I know that people always say that they get in trouble for that, so I just don't want to have those type of problems. Especially since I'm new to this. Ow. Okay, I'm definitely going to speed this up because if I don't, we would clearly be here forever. And, oh, by the way, if you like my shirt, the link will be in the description. Teespring. Must be the Melanin collection. Okay, guys. So I'm almost, I would say maybe 80% done now. I just have this little section, and I thought I would just come back to the camera to show you so that you can get a better view of how much hair I'm using and how much product I'm actually applying. So I part out about this much, and oh, I'm using about that much product. I think I was actually ODing in the beginning because, like, I didn't know what to expect. But kind of got a rhythm going here. I use the back end of the curler to straighten it out. And then I just curl it when I get to the bottom. So, it doesn't really take that long. I usually only do like one pass through because the curlers are up pretty high, so I don't have to like keep going over it multiple times. But as you can see, it gets pretty straight pretty quickly. And I'll just be doing this until the end, and then we'll get to judge together when we see the final look. I'm still trying to get used to looking at this camera. Maybe by the third or fourth time I'll have it down pat. Okay. I'm trying to get it so you can see the end. Okay. I hate when my shirt rides up. It's uncomfortable. All right. And I've been in such a rush to try to finish curling, I forgot to sip on my wine. But now that I remembered it's right here, we'll have a quick sip. Yes. Okay. Okay, almost done. Maybe just a couple more minutes. I'll just do the sections a little bigger because I'm anxious to see the end results. Oh, there are some areas where it's not really as straight, but I don't hate it. And I'm sure that once I wrap it up, if I decide to wrap it, then it'll probably be better once I comb it down. But it is very hard to wrap my hair. For some reason, it's not as easy as it used to be. Oh, I just felt like a school teacher. I was looking out over the top of my glasses. That ain't cute. Okay. All right. Oh, my forehead is shiny. Okay, I can see the progress. It actually looks a lot different than it usually does when I straighten it out. Again, because I only probably use a dime size amount of oil regularly. And for this, I've been using a little bit on each freaking part that I take out, so. This might be a plus for me. Let me find out I found a new product. I don't know how to hold up in the elements though, that's the problem. Because I can get my hair pretty straight, But like I said before, it usually doesn't last very long, especially if I'm out and about. It just starts to revert right away. All right, one more section and I'm done. Again, I go down with the barrel first because that's where most of the heat is, and it straightens it out without having to pass through a million times. And I've been doing that forever. It works for me. I don't know. I know some people are scared of heat. Not me. If it works, I'm all for it. All right, I'm gonna make this one my last one. Okay. I think I'm gonna like this. Ooh. All right, so let's see. I don't know how to slay my edges or do all of that young girl shit. I haven't gotten to that. I haven't gotten that good, but this, it does look really stringy, and I don't know. I don't love it. However, I don't hate it either. All right. Not much more to see here. We pretty much see the end results. It's definitely a lot heavier, and I don't know. I guess I'm just like really picky, but it just looks really flat. Maybe that's because I don't love flat hair anymore. But again, I don't hate it. Like, it's not a fail. I will probably be doing this again. Well, I guess that all depends on what it looks like after I try to wrap it up and see exactly what it looks like maybe tomorrow. And for now, this is my silk press. It took me maybe, I don't know, it took me about 40 minutes to get through my entire head. And again, I did pause the video in between because I thought that would just be a little too much. But this, again, is the finished look. It's really shiny. I have a couple of pieces that I might have to go over again. I hope the camera is catching the angles, and I hope you can see, like, it feels really good. Maybe if I, like, did some cute shit one side, put a couple of my, ooh, love. Okay, I might be going too far. Ooh, that hurts. Okay, that probably won't work, but it is cute. It's not heavy, but it just looks weighted. Like, I don't like limp, flimsy hair. So I'll try it again another time. I just won't use as much product. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and I'll see you again.